Hello students, how are you all today?
Fine, sir.
Today we are going to start our syllabus basic electronics. Okay? I am Manish, welcome to my class. Let's start. Okay, so first we will see what is electronics. Okay? So, can you guess what is electronics? No? Basic electronics are the fundamentals, building blocks of an industry. Building blocks of an industry means what? All industries which is related to electronic, all the things are connected to this basic electronic. Okay? It ranges from nano-sized computer chips to very large transformer and the electrical outputs. Means what? All the computer to transformers, big transformers, power supplies, all are electronics. Okay? Next slide. Electronics come in different types of shapes and sizes. Its type, shape, size and colors are different, but those all comes under electronics. Here, whatever things are there, in that the electricity can be manipulated are electronics. Okay? Next slide. Introduction to electronics material. Today we are going to see what all things are electronic materials. Okay? So, as you can see, these all are electronic component. Okay? These all are also electronic component. But in this, what all things are the material? Okay? So, what is electronic material? Electronic materials are the materials used in electrical industries, electronics and microelectronics, and the substance for the building up of integrated circuit boards, packaging materials, communication cables, optical fibers, displays, and various controlling and monitoring devices. Means what here? All those things related to electronics, all those things are made out of material, and we are going to learn the electronics material. What all are the electronics material? Okay. First, here electronic material are mainly three types. Here we are going to talk only about electronic, not chemical material. Here we will talk about electronic material. Electronic materials mainly three types. First is conductor, second is semiconductor, and third insulator. Okay. So what are conductor? Conductor, it can
Insulators.
It can conduct the electricity without any distraction. Means conductor are those which can conduct electricity without any restrictions. Those all are called conductor. Like these all are conductor. Copper. Usually these all will be metals. Here you can see copper. Copper is a conductor. Lead is conductor. Tin is also metal. It is also a conductor. Zinc, in all the batteries, zinc will be there. Those all are conductor. Steel is conductor. Nickel is conductor. All these metals are conductor. Then comes insulator. Insulator are those in that electricity cannot flow. It cannot conduct the electricity. Means electricity will not flow in that at all. Okay. Those all are here. We have taken some insulator. These insulators are electrical insulator, which we are using in our electrical circuit or power transmission. You may have seen all these components in the power transmission lines. like saddle insulator, disc insulator, post insulator, strain insulator. These all you will be seeing on the towers where electrical lines, power supply will go. Okay. Then our main thing, which is the cause of our electronics, is the semiconductor. So semiconductor, it can conduct the electricity with some resistance. Why? Why with some resistance? Because it is not pure conducting and not pure insulating. It has both properties and both are mixed together, so it will conduct electricity. It is not that it will not conduct electricity at all. It will conduct the electricity, but with some restrictions. Okay. So first we are going to see insulator. Okay, because insulator is less. So an electrical insulator is a material in which electric current does not flow freely. In the insulator, electric current cannot flow easily. Means if you are giving some third party material on that, then it might flow the electricity. But if it is an insulator, pure insulator, then it cannot flow the electricity. Why it cannot flow? Because the atoms of the insulator have tightly bound electrons which cannot readily move. Means what? Here we have some new words like atom, then tightly bound electrons. Okay. So here what happens? Here atoms will be there. In atoms, if the electron, because if you want to transport the electricity, electron is mandatory. So electrons should move. When electricity will be applied to any of the conductor or semiconductor, free electron will move from one place to another place. So here what happens? Free electron will move. If electrons are very tightly bounded, it cannot move one place to another place, one atom to another atom, it cannot move. So that's why in insulator, electrons are very tightly packed. It cannot move out, it cannot jump out. So electricity will not flow in the insulator. Next point is example are wood. In wood, electricity cannot flow. Plastic, electricity cannot flow. Ceramic, electricity cannot flow. This wall, in wall, concrete is there. In this concrete also electricity cannot flow. Some example I have given here, it's like board, gold, cork, fabric, paper, rubber, ceramic, plastic, glass. Okay, in these all electricity cannot flow, and these all are types of insulator. These all are electric insulator. Okay. Next is our conductor. What is conductor? Conductor. So these all are conductors that you can see. But what is conductor? By seeing we see, sir, wires in this, electricity will flow. That's why we are calling it a conductor. But actually, what is conductor? Conductor or electrical conductor is a substance or a material that allows electricity to flow through it in a conductor. Means what? A conductor or electrical conductor is a substance or material. It is a material in which that allow electricity to flow through it. Means in the conductor, electricity will flow very easily. Electrical charge carries usually electrons or
stop, sir.
नहीं स्टॉप मत करो, ये जो है ये न्यू लाइन, न्यू लाइन। in a conductor, electrical charge carries usually electrons or ions. Ion means what? Ion means positive charge. Electrons means negative charge. In the material there is two charges. One is positive and one is negative. But with positive charges are called ions and negative charges are called electrons. So electrons and ions move easily from atom to atom when voltage is applied. When voltage is applied, when we are providing any voltage or any current in the conductor, then electron will move freely. So electricity will flow properly. Our next topic is semiconductor, our main topic. So in this we will see what all are the things. So these all are semiconductor, as you can see. Okay, some example. But what is semiconductor? Semiconductor are materials which have a conductivity between conductors, generally metal. Conductors will be generally metals, and non-conductor are, it lies between conductors and non-conductor. Means between both it will work. Means it will have some conductivity also and some insulation also. Both it will have. But electricity will flow. Here it is not that electricity will must to flow. But here insulation will manipulate the conductivity. Semiconductor can be pure element such as silicon or germanium, or compounds as gallium arsenide or cadmium selenide. Here two types of semiconductor material is there. Here we are talking about what we are talking about? Here we are talking about chemical compound. Which chemical compound, which chemical atoms are there, which is semiconductor material. Here silicon and germanium, these two are pure semiconductor. Where compound semiconductor are there, those all are gallium arsenide or cadmium selenide. These all are semiconductor atoms. So semiconductor work by enabling the valence electron, those located in the outer shell of an atom. एक स्लाइड मिस हो गया. Semiconductor work by enabling the valence electrons, those located in the outer shell of an atom. Means what? Here, in this what happens? In outer layer, electrons will be free and those will move properly. इसके लिए मेरे को चाहिए होगा मार्कर. Of course, मैं 14 minutes.